Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you dream of becoming a K-pop idol, and your goal is to audition for YG Entertainment, then this video is extremely important for you. Today, I will explain what the YG Zoom audition really is, how to apply the official way, who is eligible, what happens during the Zoom audition, how the selection process works, and most importantly, what is real and what is fake. This video is based only on official YG audition information, not rumors. What is YG Entertainment? YG Entertainment is one of the top entertainment companies in South Korea. YG is home to artists like Blackpink, Big Bang, Treasure, BABYMONSTER. YG is known for very high standards, very low selection rate, strong focus on individual talent and stage presence. Important truth: YG never charges money for auditions. What is a Zoom audition? A Zoom audition means a live online audition, conducted through the Zoom video call platform. However, here is the real fact many people don't know. You cannot directly apply for a Zoom audition. Zoom auditions are invitation only. YG uses Zoom auditions mainly for international applicants, candidates who pass the online audition screening. Step 1. How to apply for YG online audition. 3 minutes. Official and real method. Go to YG Entertainment's official website. Open the audition section. Fill out the online application form. Full name, date of birth, nationality, height and weight, approximate, email address. Choose your category: vocal, dance, rap, visual. Upload your audition video. Audition video rules. Very important. YG is very strict about this. One take video. No cuts, no editing. Clear face visible. Natural or no makeup. Simple clothing. Plain background. Vocal and rap. No background music. Dance. Music allowed, but no fancy camera work. The video should show you, not editing skills. Step 2. Zoom audition invitation. 2 minutes. If YG likes your online audition, you will receive an official email. The email includes date and time, Zoom meeting link, instructions for the audition. Very important. YG does not contact through Instagram, WhatsApp, or Telegram. Any account asking for money equals scam. Step 3. What happens in the Zoom audition? 1. Identity verification. Camera must be on, face clearly visible. Sometimes they may ask you to confirm your ID or passport. 2. Performance round. You may be asked to perform vocal, short part of a song, verse or chorus. Dance, 30 to 60 seconds freestyle or prepared choreography. Rap, preferably self-written rap. If you have multiple talents, you must inform them first. 3. Simple interview questions. They may ask, why do you want to join YG Entertainment? How long have you been training? Are you willing to move to Korea if selected? English is usually enough. Korean is a plus, but confidence matters more than language. Selection process after Zoom audition. After the Zoom audition, no instant results. YG staff internally reviews performances. Selected candidates may receive a second audition email, or trainee-related discussion. If you don't receive an email, it usually means rejection. YG rarely sends rejection emails. Common fake audition scams. Avoid anyone who says, guaranteed selection, pay money to pass, DM audition available, instant trainee contract. YG auditions are 100% free. Only trust official YG website and email. Final reality check. Let's be honest. YG auditions are extremely competitive. Talent alone is not enough. Consistency, mindset, and timing matter. International selection is possible, but rare. Still, if this is your dream, the only correct way is the real way. If this video helped you understand the real YG Zoom audition process, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment below. Which category will you audition for? Vocal, dance, rap, or visual?